back to Christy's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to do grilled cheese hot dogs. I got this idea from watching one of those Facebook videos by Delish. It just looks so delicious that I just had to give it a try myself. There's not much to it, but I will show you a quick clip of how I prepped everything. These are the sorriest buns, so definitely don't buy Wonder Bread buns. I went ahead and rotated it around. Just gonna put some white onions on there. Definitely need a bigger bun. This one's just falling apart completely. They make it look so easy on those videos. Definitely didn't look nearly as pretty as they showed on Facebook, but I needed a much bigger bun for next time.
All right, guys, I'm gonna try one of these fries right here.
Right. Thanks to Booger at Booger 500 US. She told me about the duck fat in the air fryer, and it is so delicious.
Man, that's good. One duck fat, that's on point. Let's get to this hot dog.
Might have to put your plate down, I don't know. Well, of course you're a hot dog expert.
Yeah, well, growing up, that's one thing, well, two things we always had was hot dogs and grilled cheese, and whoever come up with the idea of putting them together was great, because growing up we were so damn poor we couldn't even pay attention. So
Bottom bun got a little toasty, but I had it on there too hot at first. Is that the perfect combination or what?
man, I'm here to tell you, That's slicker than owl shit on a glass doorknob. That is good. Guys, if y'all hadn't tried this, I'm telling you, it is delicious. If you like hot dogs and damn cheese, oh my God.
Yeah, cheese, extra cheese.
Man. I'm gonna put this in rotation. I want this one on.
Yeah.
God almighty, man. That makes me happier than a damn puppy with 2 peckers. All right, guys, just to let everybody know, we're probably gonna have another video for a couple weeks. I'm gonna be busier than a one-armed trapeze artist with an itchy ass. I got school plus deer hunting, and it's just gonna be busy for both me and Christy. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. And oh yeah,
Oh, I can't forget.
can't forget that Colorado Kool-Aid. All right, guys, have a good one now. Take care.